Hi there, I'm Nathan Turnbull, an orthopedic surgeon with Florida Orthopedic Associates. Today I'm going to answer some patient questions about joint replacement surgery. Here's one question from our new Smyrna Beach office. It says, how soon will I be able to walk after hip replacement surgery? And is a walker needed? Well, with our rapid recovery protocol at both of the hospitals I work at, we have patients up within hours after surgery walking, and yes, a walker is required. I generally require a walker during that first 2 weeks after surgery, after a hip replacement. But we get you up, we get you walking within a few hours of surgery. We have a number of patients who are able to actually go home on the same day. And the therapist will actually on the same day of surgery teach you how to do stairs if you have some stairs to get into your house. But in general, a walker is required for about 2 weeks after surgery. And you will be walking soon after surgery. As soon as within a few hours of waking up from the surgery, we'll have you up walking the hallways.